Hello, gorgeous ladies and gentlemen of the realm. FaeryVixen here, back again with another video, and we're gonna, oh, I didn't realize it was that shiny there. That's crazy. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna continue with the box number 3 out of the 3-box lot. And I think there's some more, what are these? These are black frosted glass heart beads. Ooh, they feel nice. So those are beads. Oh, I need my trash can over here. We have a silver tone one of these. And several of these. Oh, look, an earring. I think we have the other one already. Here's some gold tone hoops or bracelets. I have so many of these. Ooh, this is connected. They're the ones that look like a magic trick. Cool. I like those. We have one of these sparkly ones. Nice. We have a little pair of rainbow star earrings. Rainbow stars. And what are these? These are very small. And in a container. They are, let's get one out from the others. Try to anyway. They look like wings. Oh, there you go. They're little wing charms. There you go. Those. And then we have ooh, look. Oh, steampunky stuff. Little gears and doodads and stuff. Brass. So those are cool. Neat. Ooh, there's something else in there too. Oh wait, they're all the same. Okay. Here is a, what is that? Chalcedony cab. That's nice. Very nice. What have we here? There's a whole bunch of beauty stuff in here. Oh, shoot. What are you? What are you guys? Yeah. They're like an olive green with some tigery looking stripes on them. They're cool. And what kind of a label did they have on them? Just crammed in there with it. Rebshams, whatever that is. I don't know if that's a type of bead or what. Or that's where they got them from. Here's another thing of little bead caps. Little gold tone ones. Whoa. Boingy, 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 boingy. We have mesh. We have two kinds of mesh. We have these kind of beads and these kind of beads. These are like a gray glass. And, oop, it's got an earring stuck on it. I like the earring. The earring's cool. Very Halloween-y. And this was up for $2. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Here's some more of this. Whoop, there's another earring. Little blush pink crystal guy. I'm going to grab all these little bracelets. Well, not all of them because there's buried. But I like to pull them out if I can. We have some gold tone and a wider silver tone with no name on it. A black one. A bronze looking one. And a couple of patterned ones. I like the patterned ones. They're cool. This one's nice. That's a nice one. Alrighty, get them out of the way. We have a... Oh, what is this? It's peace signs. It's on like a cerulean blue faux leather. It's got a whale and a peace sign and one of those and a whale and a peace sign, and it's broken. It's like it's been cut. Look, it's been cut. I don't know if it had something else on it or why would it be cut. Anyway, that'll go into the craft lot because there's a lot of cute little charms on there. I don't think any of them are sterling. I don't think so. Ooh, here's another big old 3 strands of big pearls like we had recently. No name. Slight wear on the claspy bit. But this one's got some gold in it. Very nice. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Here's one of these guys. Woven bracelet. Pretty. Here's one of these leather ones from Ensenada. Souvenir bracelet. Here's a pair of hoops. I don't think they're earrings. I think they're made to be made into, to make into earrings. And here's a little example of the type of work you can do with the steampunk elements. Isn't that cute? Oh, look, it's got a Cthulhu. Isn't that cute? I love it. I love it. Looks like it's all brass. All brass. Nice. Ooh, this is cool. Tiny little seed beads woven into a tube. And I don't remember what that stitch is called. I want to say peyote stitch, but I'm not 100% sure on that. I don't know. And I would rather say I don't know than to be wrong. Oi, what is this? Yay! There. This is an interesting set. This is not marked. It says love in a very spiky font, and then the necklace is the same thing. So it's earrings and a necklace. A set! Yay! You know I like sets. These are not sure if these are real amber or not. I don't think so, but then everything else is stone, so I'm not 100%. Except for this, these are wood. I don't know. And I don't know what this stone is either. Looks like it's been dropped a few times. It's kind of interesting. This is a Really nice glass pearl stretch bracelet. Really nice luster. Look at those. They're pretty. I like those. I have so many pearl bracelets. You wouldn't believe it. So many of them. Oh my, what is this? This is a magnet. Relay for Life magnet. Stick that up there with the other magnets. Here's a here we go. What do we got here? Everything's magnetized from that thing. This is a... Why does it feel like it's... Oof. Weird. Open. Hold on a moment. Let me get my stabby stick. I found a bunch of these in my one of my lots, so I keep them here for doing things with. Ooh. Oh, look. It's a watch with a British flag on it. Looks like it's seen better days. That'll probably go into the craft lot. Can be dismantled for more, what do you call it? Steampunky stuff. This, hold on a sec, I'm getting something untangled. Hold on a minute. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can get it untangled all the way, but it's 4 strands. And it's, is it 4? Yeah. 1 is mesh and doesn't have anything on it. And then there's 2 that are plain chains, and then there's this chain that has pearls and CZs on it. So that's cool. And it's layered, so it's not all hanging the same, it's layered. That's cool. That's cool, I like it. This has seen better days. It is going in the craft lot. Craft lot, craft lot. Earring. Here's another little pearl bracelet, only this one is plastic. Ooh, this is pretty. Looks like somebody made it. It is iridescent blue seed beads, and then some other little glass beads, and then it's got 2 cloisonne, 3 cloisonne. Really pretty. I like that. Looks like some of my stuff when I first started making jewelry. Ooh, these are all glass, and they're like a cognac color. Very nice. I don't know that I might need those for something, but it couldn't hurt to ask. Ooh, this is nice. 2 little squares. Clamper, clampity, clamp, clamp. And, ooh, what are you? You are a rhinestone and gunmetal. Big fat stretchy ring. Some more earrings. Here's another earring. Wait. Yeah, came off. Blue and blue. It's just blue. Okay. Here we go. And here's a little plastic fused pearl necklace. Cute. Excuse me. What have we here? Ooh, that's all kind of tangled up. Hold on a second. There we go. This is just a leather guy with a heart and a hook. And it says, I love you. So I think you wear it this way. Excuse me. Oh, and here's some of those very, very vintage, very long strand of plastic in this crazy color. It's like a cantaloupe color almost. Almost pumpkin, but not quite. Sweet potato, yam. And let's see, how many do we have on it? Come on, where you at? Where's the end? I just had it. What the heck? Ah, there we go. It's 3 strands. That's cool. And it's really long. Let's see, how long is it? I think I have my measuring thing is in the other room, but I'm gonna say like, I'm gonna say 36 on this one, if not longer. Here's another very, very vintage. Look at that. It's like a lavender with like white in the grooves. And this one is a what? A Hong Kong. Very, very vintage. The other one didn't have a name on it. Here's another woven bracelet in pink and black. Pinkety blackety. And this is Barcelona. Barcelona. There we go. There's that crazy building in Barcelona. There's, I believe that's the mascot for Barcelona. Barcelona. Ooh, that sneeze. I'm getting a drip down the back of my throat. Making me tickle. There's a plain one of those. This is fun. It's got little characters. I don't know what characters they are, though. It has no distinguishing marks. It just has little people. Plastic. Goldstone and amber. I'm going to say they're amber because they're with the goldstone. Ooh, pretty. I don't know if I like that combination, but very nice for fall. Here's another big one for fall. I will be keeping this one. This is glass and turquoise and sponge coral and citrine. And wait, this might not even be glass. This might be whiskey amber. Or what is that one? The dark one? Root beer amber? That is gorgeous. Ooh, must have on. Must have on. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's different. It's like, I like the combination of colors. That's beautiful. And then we'll put that one on too. I think they're good together. Here is a rhodochrosite point on a naugahyde, or what do you call that? Vinyl chain, or vinyl cord. I don't think it's in steel. It's not in sterling. It's cute. Whoa, what are you? Whoa, check that earring out. Woohoo! Very neat. I think that's the only one of those, though. Oh, that's cute, with real pearls on it. Seriously? It's just, really nice crystal beads and, Little pearly whirlies, and this probably had something hanging off it too. Wait, I didn't even show you the whole thing. Pretty. Did I show you all of this? I sometimes don't have it in the camera correctly. Ooh, Ashley Stewart clip. I don't know who she is. It looks pretty old. It was $8. Yeah, the price tag on the back looks older. There we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look at this one. Pretty. Brass with cream lace and a peachy rose with brass. And this looks like a little crowned mask, and then there's this hanging from the bottom. That's pretty. If I were younger and didn't have turkey neck, I would wear that. Here's another one of these mid-century looking. This one's hearts. It's in good shape, decent shape. It's not perfect, but a little worn in the back. But the front still looks beautiful. Here's a piece of iridescent acrylic. Uh-oh. Oh, hey, we're at 21 already. Darn, that went by quick. That's kind of cool. It's not glass. It looks like it, but it's not. Very nice. On a chain. Cute. Different. Alrighty, we're going to call it a day, a night. There's some Mylar little doodads. I want to thank you all for being here. Please leave a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down there. If you see something you can't live without, please leave a timestamp in the comments below of the item that you would like. Or you could send me an email at the email in my description and leave me that same information plus the title of the video and the date it was posted so that I can find your item. If you have not bought from me before, please include your name, your YouTube name, your PayPal email, and your street address so that I can invoice you and send you your items. Remember that I love each and every one of you. And be yourself, because everyone else is taken. Bye-bye!